Good morning, students. Class 9th Science. Chapter number 2 is Matter Around Us Pure. Student, you have read in the previous chapter about the three states of matter and some of their physical property. What are the three different states of matter? Solid, liquid, gas. What is matter? Anything that has mass and occupy space. So, student, in this chapter, we shall confine our study to classification of the matter on the basis of their chemical composition. On the basis of their chemical composition. So, how matter is classified according to the chemical composition may be understood from the following flow diagram. You can see now focus. Matter is divided into the two parts, pure substances and mixture. What is the pure substances? Means they have the fixed composition. They have the fixed composition. And if we talk about the mixture, does not have the fixed composition. In other words, we can say that pure substances contain the molecule of same type. Molecule of same type. And if we talk about the mixture, does not contain molecule of same type. They have molecule of different type. So, student, if we talk about the pure substances divided into the two parts again, elements and compounds. So, we have discussed also. So, what do you mean by the elements? The pure substances is made up of the only one kind of atom. One kind of atom. So, student, we will discuss in next video what is the element and the compounds. So, if we talk about the mixture, what do you mean by the mixture? Mixture is a student impure substances. Mixture is a impure substances. What do you mean by the impure substances? Those substances does not contain the molecule of same type. They contain the molecule of different types. So, student, mixture will be homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So, if we talk about the homogeneous mixture, what is the difference between the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture? So, student, on the basis of the physical state, matter is classified into the three main types. They are solid, liquid, gas. And on the basis of the chemical composition, matter is also classified into two main types, pure and mixture. So, now you know what is the pure substances and what is the mixture. So, student, now in this video we will study the mixture, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So, student, first of all, what is a pure substance? Pure substances means a substance which consists of a single type of a substance, element and compound. And mixture consists of the two or more pure substances like seawater, mineral, soil, salt water, sugar solution. These are the mixture. So, now you can differentiate between the pure substances and mixture. So, what do you mean by the pure substances? Pure substances, student, consist the single type of substance. Example, element and compound. And cannot be separated by physical method. Cannot be separated by physical method, but mixture can be separated by a physical method. Understand? Now, student, we will discuss now types of the mixture. Mixture are the two types, homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. So, first of all, student, what do you mean by the mixture? Student, a mixture is a material containing two or more elements. Mixture is a material containing two or more element or compound that are in close contact and mixed together in any proportion. So, student, in this way we can say that in other way, the mixture is a substances is made up of the two or more substances. When two or more substances mixed physically, not chemically, mixed, student, mixed physically in any ratio. If we talk about the pure substances, they react together in a fixed ratio. If we talk about the compound are the pure substances and it is made up when two or more elements combine chemically in a fixed ratio. But if we talk about the mixture, when two or more element or compound are physically mixed together in any ratio, that is called any proportion, you can say, that is called the mixture. So a components of a mixture can be separated by simple physical method. What are the example of the mixture? Student, a mixture, you can take example of the mixture salt solution, sugar solution, and also you can, student, take example of the air and gunpowder, steel. These are the example of the mixture. If we talk about, student, air is a mixture of the different gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, water vapor, a small amount of other substances. If we talk about the gunpowder, is a mixture of potassium nitrate, yeah, in other words we can say that potassium nitrate, sulfur or coal. Understand? So what do you mean by the mixture? Mixture is a material containing two or more elements or compound that are in a close contact and mixed together in any proportion, and they can be separated by the simple physical method. Now the properties of the mixture. So student, a mixture may be homogeneous or heterogeneous. Student, if we talk about the homogeneous mixture, has a uniform composition. Understand? Homogeneous mixture is a mixture which has uniform composition. And if we talk about, the particles of the mixture are not visible by naked eye. So if we talk about, if the particles of the mixture are not visible by the naked eye, what will happen? There are no visible and sharp boundaries between the various components of a homogeneous mixture. Student, you can take example of the sugar solution. When you dissolve the sugar in water, you can see the boundary of the sugar and water different? No. So there are no visible or sharp boundary between the various components of a homogeneous mixture. For example, sugar solution is a mixture of sugar in water. It is a homogeneous mixture. Any portion of this solution contains the same proportion of sugar and water. In this solution, we do not have any visible separate particles of sugar and water. So if we talk about a mixture to miscible liquid, that is liquid. A mixture of two miscible liquid, that is liquid which mix into one another completely, is also a homogeneous mixture. Miscible means liquid which mix into one another completely is homogeneous mixture. For example, we mix water with alcohol. When we mix water with alcohol, we get the homogeneous mixture also. And student, air is also a homogeneous mixture. And if we talk about the beam of light is not visible to the mixture. And the mixture is also stable. Understand what I am saying? Air is also the homogeneous mixture of the hydrogen and nitrogen and also carbon dioxide. So there is no visible boundary. So also student, the path of a beam of light is not visible in the mixture. So I hope you understand homogeneous mixture. Now student, heterogeneous mixture. Heterogeneous mixture is a mixture which has non-uniform composition. Non-uniform composition means the particles are visible by naked eye. The particles are visible by the naked eye, and student, they does not have the uniform composition, and they are visible and sharp boundary between the various components. We can take example of the mixture and sand. Mixture of sand and common salt is heterogeneous mixture. You can prepare this heterogeneous mixture and homogeneous mixture. You prepare the sugar solution, and other in glass or beaker you prepare the student mixture of sand and common salt. So you can see clearly what is the homogeneous mixture and what is the heterogeneous mixture. And the mixture of this heterogeneous mixture is unstable. The particles of this mixture is settled down, and also the path of light is visible in the mixture. So what are the example of the mixture of salt and sand? Mixture of sulfur and iron filling, mixture of oil and water. In other words, we can say that immiscible. Heterogeneous mixture is a immiscible, not miscible. And if we talk about the homogeneous mixture, miscible. So a mixture of two immiscible liquid is also heterogeneous. And you can take example of the oil and water. When you mix together, what will happen? They get separated into two layers, one above the other. This is because oil and water are immiscible. So now you can understand what is the difference between the homogeneous mixture and heterogeneous mixture. Okay, student.